Suppose you've come across this maths problem. So how do you solve it out? So how will you go about it? I want to explain it within the shortest time possible. So let's now start with the solution. So on the solution, we write the equation 8 to the power of a, then plus 8 to the power of a is equals to 72. So the first trick that we need to do is to factorize 8 to the power of a plus 8 to the power of a. So this one can also be written as 8 to the power of a into bracket 1 plus 1 is equals to 72. So from here now we shall have 8 to the power of a, 1 plus 1 is 2 is equals to 72. So from here now we shall have to divide both sides by 2. So here divide by 2, divide by 2. So 2 by 2 cancel. So now 8 to the power of a is equals to, tier 1 2 into 72 is 36. So now 8 to the power of a is equals to 36. So still we are asked to find the value for a. So how do we find the value for a? So let's introduce the log of both equation. So here now we shall have the log of, so the log 8 to the power of a is equals to the log of 36. So we all know that when you have the log of p to the power of m, this one can also be written as m, the log of p. So this one simply means that the log of 8 to the power of a can also be written as a, the log of 8 is equals to the log of 36. So from here now we shall be forced to divide both sides by the log of 8. So the log of 8, so this side also shall divide by the log of 8. So log 8 and log 8 shall cancel. So now our a is equals to the log of 36 all over the log of 8. So from here now we shall say that we shall factorize the log of 36 all over the log of 8. So now our value for a is equals to the log of 36 and also written as the log of 6 to the power of 2 all over the log of 8 can also be written as, when you have 8, this one can also be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So here now we shall have 2 to the power of 3. So here now we shall have the log of 2 to the power of 3. So here now the value for a is equals to, so the log of 6 to the power of 2 can also be written as 2, the log of 6 all over the log of 2 to the power of 3 can also be written as 3, the log of 2. So next we shall say that, so this one now we shall have to simplify by now having a is equals to, so 2, so the log of 6 can also be written as the log of 3 multiplied by 2. Then we shall have it into bracket, then all over 3. So here now we shall have just have 3 log 2 like that. So from there now our a is equals to, so 2 log, so here now we shall have 2 the log of 3 plus, so this one all shall change to the plus log of 2, then all over, so we shall divide both sides by 3 the log of 2. So here now we shall have 3 the log of 2. So from there now we shall say that our value for a is equals to, so here now we shall have 2 over 3. So 2 over 3 the log of 3. So 2 over 3, then we shall pick the whole of this, then the log of 3 to the base of 2, then plus the log of 2 all over the log of 2. So here now our value for a is equals to, so 2 all over 3 the log of 3 to the base of 2, then log 2 and log 2 shall cancel. So now we shall have plus 1. So we can write this one and say that our value for a is equals to 2 all over 3 into bracket 1, then plus the log of 3 to the base of 2. So now this one now qualifies to be our correct answer. So if you loved how we've solved it out and worked out this maths problem, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.